Hello guys, it's Chama. Today I have a BakuTech thing to unbox here. This is the Friendship Bind set. So yeah, here are the sides. It's top. Here's the back. I already partially unboxed this because my dog wouldn't shut up, so I had to go down there and see what she's barking at. So I said I continue from there because she's barking a lot. So here's that, and here's that. Alright, anyway, so like a lot of these BTA sets, it only comes with one ability card and one gate card. Ability card is that. Yeah. And then gate card is that. It gives no bonuses. So yeah. Alright, so we're going to start off with the less exciting of the two. Oh wait, hold on, actually. I mentioned this Gigan ring thing. Another one of these. I actually forgot all about it. This one's gray. Silverish, whatever. Let's just get this guy open. Yeah, they package these things. It's just terrible. There we go, finally. Alright, here is this version of Gigan Dragoan. Little Japanese symbol there, Pyrus. All that. Silver. Yep. Alright. There he is. I forgot to zoom in, whatever. Very standard, just Gigan Dragoan, whatever. He has Zeta Munikis colors though, but that's about it. I don't even know if he does. But so anyway, this says 700 plus 30. I don't know what that's all about, but whatever. Oh my god, are you kidding me? My dog, she will not shut up. Okay, anyway, so that's that, and then let's get to the exciting part of this deck. Zeta Munikis, that's what I've been waiting for. This is really the main reason I got this thing, was for Zeta Munikis. Alright, so I finally got this guy. It took me forever, but here it is, Zeta Munikis. Ready for this? Let's zoom in. Nice. Alright, so his feet, you have to manually pull out. So, yeah, any other manual parts? Horns. Oh, wait. Those go up. That's about it with him. This is actually one of the strongest BakuTech, actually, so 730 Gs. Yes. How about he has the darkest symbol, then there's the Japanese symbol on. But now Zeta actually has like a G power boost ability. So you can see, you just see like 10 Gs in there and stuff. Can give you boosts. It's pretty cool. Now this guy, he looks freaking awesome. So yeah. I think he has like 10 through 50 or 40 or something, I don't know. This guy looks really cool anyway, so yeah. This actually, because the girls think, this review is I think the second review I'm going to be doing, starting when I start these like weekly reviews in January. This actually will be up pretty soon. So yeah, anyways, that's really also, yeah. comment them to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.